Welcome to my adventure unfolded. Today's destination, Malaysia. More specifically, Petrosains Discovery Center. To get to Petrosains Discovery Center, you should reach KLCC station, then go to PETRONAS Twin Towers. Then, go to level 4 to reach Petrosains Discovery Center. For those who haven't seen it, here's their energy capsule experience.
Welcome to the energy story. You are about to have a powerful experience and learn how energy has shaped human life from the beginning. You will be going on a journey through time, all the way to the future which lies just beyond.
Our use of energy has not only led to amazing advances, but also mirrors how we have developed through the ages. The energy story started long ago, when a spark ignited civilization. The power of the human mind has driven progress through the ages. Simply by controlling the power of fire, people were able to keep warm in winter, cook food to improve their diet and nourish their brains, light up the darkness, and scare away wild animals. And as their use of energy grew over time, so human beings evolved. When humans developed new methods for hunting, fishing, and farming, they formed communities, gaining strength in numbers by living and working together. They harvested crops in the fields and harnessed the power of water and wind. And so, the concept of society also emerged, taking shape in larger towns and cities. Inspired by scientific theories, which emerged in the Age of Reason, the steam engine was the next big advance. New production methods were invented to perform heavy manual tasks. New industries and new modes of transport emerged. Trade boomed all over the world. Cities grew faster than ever before. Electricity accelerated progress, driving the next revolution. Suddenly we had more power everywhere, in industries as well as in everyday life. People also became more productive as electricity boosted efficiency, freeing us from many kinds of manual work and giving us more time to think, for leisure and the arts. Then, step by step, transistors and computers began to transform human life out of all recognition. Communications now became much easier. Breakthrough solutions for healthcare, education, trade and business began to emerge. The digital age had begun. The information explosion allowed us to understand better how people and nature behave. Thanks to big data and supercomputers, more tasks were automated. New networks connected us all. Now everything was possible. The spark had now become a mighty blaze. Innovation has led to a lot of advances, but all these come at a price. Human beings are very creative. Sometimes we can lose our sense of balance. And now we face another challenge, the climate emergency.
Are you ready to fight for the future? We now have to change our direction of travel, use our energy and talents for the benefit of future generations. Words come easy, but action speaks louder than words, and action is needed right now. We have big decisions to make But we also have reason to hope. If we can discover the power of fire, we can also build a brighter future for humanity. The human journey continues. The energy story continues. The next few years will see a revolution in the energy sector. As countries all around the world transition to renewables and new solutions. More sustainable sources of power, new infrastructure, innovative, more intelligent technologies. The industry will have to reinvent itself, bringing sustainable solutions to market faster. Our way of life will have to change, so all of us can thrive together. The future now begins. We now know the scale of the challenge, but what do people think about it? What kind of future do we want to build for generations to come?
Plastics will become part of the circular economy.
Hidrogen hijau akan memainkan peranan besar pada
sawah padi dijemput menggunakan baja buatan
Thanks to new electrolysis technologies,
PETRONAS will produce new kinds of biofuels from
innovative materials like graphene, we will capture more waste gases and industrial
kita perlu
emissions.
mendidik orang ramai untuk mengurangkan penggunaan plastik.
bijak, pasti kita dapat mengatasi masalah kita.
We'll need some pilot percentage of fast carbon solutions to save
Carbon capture, utilization and sequestration is the way ahead for natural gas.
My kids deserve a better world, and if they study, they have the chance to create it.
It's time for change. It's time for new initiatives. It's time to choose what kind of future we want for our children and our children's children.
We all have an idea of the world we want to see. The utopia that all of us imagine in our dreams. A world where we breathe in the purest and cleanest of air. A way of life in harmony with nature, driven by reason and science. Clean, green cities, integrated transport systems, powered by renewables. A world which inspires us. A world with a future. We have the science and the tools to change the course of history. We have new technologies to build a greener world. We are developing new, more sustainable and cleaner sources of power, new smart materials, new ways of working and living together. We have the resources, the brilliance of the human mind, the wonders of nature, the power of science. If we are united, we can make the world of the future much brighter than ever. We can turn a new page in the energy story. There is hope on the horizon.
It's decision time. Get ready for action. Accept the world the way it is, or try to make a difference. Live in the past or the future. Human ingenuity is capable of finding new solutions like those we've seen today. We have to change our mindset, how we think about the natural environment as well as the economy. We have to see ourselves as citizens, not just consumers. We need to strike a balance between progress and sustainability. We need to reforest the earth. We need to invest in clean technologies. We have to stand up for the truth to enable the world of tomorrow.
We hope you have enjoyed your trip to Petrosains today. Please wait until your car comes to a complete stop before you exit. And before you leave, make sure you visit our gift shop and our other exciting attractions.